Afternoon everyone. Today let us discuss about the tinkering class on the current lesson. That is nothing but as we are discussing in the sexual reproduction in the flowering plants. So as we know that flowering plants, so the flower is the modified shoot. It is a modified shoot with a condensed axis. So it is a condensed axis called as thalamus. So this is the condensed axis called as thalamus and the floral organs. As we know that the study of the branch of biology which deals with the study of flowers, the branch of biology which deals with the study of flowers are called as anthology. That is called as anthology. A typical angiosperm flower consists of 4 whorls. So we have discussed in the earlier classes, that is the flower, it is a reproductive part of a plant where it consists of 4 whorls of the floral appendages where it is attached on the receptacles. So which will attach to the receptacles or the thalamus. So they have the 4 whorls. What does those 4 whorls are named? Calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium. So calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium. These are the 4 whorl appendages. So the calyx and corolla are called as accessory whorls, whereas androecium and the gynoecium are called as essential or reproductive whorls. Right, we have discussed about all these definitions. Now let us discuss about the different parts of a flower. Okay, let us discuss about the different parts of the flower. So you can see that, so this is the bract, this is the bract, so you can see here, so this is the bract. So what do you mean by bract? It is the lateral side of the peduncle. That means a flower is generally, as we know that these flowers are generally born on the lateral side. So on the lateral side of the peduncle at a node. So here you can see, here it will born. So from the node in the axil of the leaf, you can see this is the axil of the leaf. So that structure we called as bract. So this is the bract. So you can see here this is a stalk or the pedicel. So the pedicel has a swollen upper portion that is called as thalamus. That is called as thalamus, which is also called as torus or also called as receptacles. So that is the thalamus or torus or the receptacles. So as we have discussed about the 4 whorls, that is calyx. So the calyx is the outermost, it is the outermost whorl of the flower and it is made up of the units called as what? Sepals. So these are the sepals. I will remove the sepals one by one. It is removed. So I am taking another flower. It has been detached from that stalk. So I am just removing. Please make sure that while dissecting you have to use your dissection needles. Okay, I don't have right now, so that is why I am using in the things. So this is the what? Calyx, which is nothing but the sepals. The units of the calyx are called as what? Sepals. It is a tiny leaves which is present at the base of the flower. So these, what is the function of the sepals? These will protect the flowers against the mechanical injury. So it will helps to protect the flowers against the mechanical injury or the desiccation. Next is the what? Corolla, that is the petals. So next is the corolla or also called as petals. So it is the second outermost whorl, right? So first is the outermost whorl is the calyx. Second whorl is called as what? Corolla. So this corolla of the corolla units are called what? Petals. So these are the petals. So here these are the petals. I'm just removing. So these are the petals. So it is the second whorl of the flower, and the units of corolla are called as petals. And you know that in some of the flowers the petals are different colors, right? The petals are have the different colors, and they may be in red, yellow, green, pink, white. You have a different colors of the petals you can see. So you can see here. So this yellow one, it is called as anther. Anther is a bilobe which have a, this is called as filament. So you can see here. See this one. So this black colored one, no, black colored one, that is the stigma. That is the stigma, and this is the style. I'm just removing this thing to show. The androecium is the male reproductive organ. So androecium is the male reproductive organ. The units of androecium are called as what? Stamens. And what about the gynoecium? Gynoecium is the female